just a quickie. So you can see here it's connected again. Let me put the light on so you can see. So I've reconnected the sensor, as you can see there. Yeah. And what I've done is I've put the engine on so that it runs. Hey. So now it's showing the sensor voltage, but I need to make it run. So I'm just pushing my foot down on the pedal in park to make it run. And so you can see here now it's showing a sensor voltage here. Now I'm not sure which one it is, but you've got a B1S2 and then there's a B1S1. Is there any others? Yeah. Oh, those are just catalyst temperatures. There are 2 cats on it, so I'm guessing that those are showing the temperature of the cats that are on the car. Don't know for sure. See if there's anything else that's to do with the tests. Yeah, it's no. So I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's keeps getting the wrong thing. Yeah, this is misfire. Right, I'm trying to get it to do things. Okay, so you can see here it's got sensor test here, and you might not be able to see enable, right? And then you can go sensor test complete. So all of these are indicating that, and if I go back now to the read code, now I've just erased the codes, and it's saying no problems, right? So if I want to no, you got to do the HV battery one first. There's a separate battery to HV, right? So let's erase those. I don't know if there is any. Right? Yeah, it looks like it's done it, but it's come back again. I think that's just saying you got a problem with it because it said problem. So I'm thinking it's just saying that there's certain packs which are crap. Oh, the cooling fan's not connected. Okay. Yeah, because I haven't got it connected, so that's why it's complaining about that. And this one, usually you have one here as well, which is, I'm just going to erase it. Normally it says there's a problem with the controller. Yeah, it's done it again, see. So this one's showing a problem with the fan. There. Yeah. Okay, it's because I've probably not connected it. So, yeah. Okay, but that's just the fan, which probably also shows up. It's one of those where it doubles up. So if I read these codes, it's probably going to say controller problem. Yeah, control system. So what this is doing is it's saying there's a problem. Oh, sorry. It's saying there's a problem.